Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be doing another very easy and good candy recipe. I just like, I guess this year, to do easy. I've got a couple good ones that are just very simple to make. Takes no time to make them, and I'm going to share them because they're wonderful. And there's sometimes that you just need to make something, but you don't have a lot of time. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my foil in my pan. I've already buttered it. I butter my foil before I put it in there because it's just easier to get it all the way around, I think. So do it however way you like it. But anyway, this is a chocolate, it's like chocolate fudge, but and it's really good. Chocolate toffee pecan is the name of it. And now we've got this fixed. I'm going to set it aside, forget about it for a while, and go to something else. Now first thing, you want to melt your chocolate, and it takes about 6 ounces of chocolate bits, and just stick them in the microwave for about 45 seconds and you'll have it. Yeah. Then just set that aside to cool. And then what I want to do is I want to get my cream together, my I got everything in the way, don't I? Okay. I'd like to cream together my Philadelphia cream cheese and my powdered sugar. Now the powdered sugar, they say use 3.5 cups. I just go by basically when it feels like it's about done, about thick enough. But I guess maybe I will measure it this time and see if that, set there, don't fall. I'm going to put 3 3/4 cup of confectionery sugar in it, and I'm just going to soften my cream cheese first, and then I'm going to slowly start adding my sugar. I hope everybody's having a good day, a good week, because it's been beautiful. You sit in the house and you look outside and you think, oh my goodness, that sunshine is so pretty. Just don't go outside because it's not nice out there. I think this morning it was 15 when we got up. I talked to my cousin that lives in St. Mary's, and she said that in St. Mary's it was 12 when she got up. So I'll take mine. It's a little bit warmer. Excuse the noise. Here, I'm doing 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, and I've got to get my sugar all down in there. I like simple recipes sometimes, some that aren't so confusing, or some that doesn't take as long to make. Because some days you just don't have enough time to do it all. And you can take maybe a half hour out of your day and do this one. I have another easy one that I'm going to share, and it's about the same amount of time. Matter of fact, I'm just going to do it by hand maybe. I'm just going to cream it together by hand. Now, since I've got most of it mixed in good, just get your powdered sugar and your Philadelphia cream cheese all blended together there. And Now I'm going to go ahead and add my half a teaspoon of almond flavoring in there, because that'll give us more juice in the bottom of the pan to get everything else fixed and fastened together good. Okay, try to get some more of this in there. I've got more than it calls for, so I'm not going to use it all, but sometimes, I don't know, I think it depends on the weather maybe, to how it mixes up. I know it does for me. Got it pretty good. My nose is itching. Mom used to say if your nose is itching, it means you're going to have company. They'll get candy if they're coming. I'm going to put it in another bowl so that I can mix it, the rest of the ingredients in it. I'm going to, yeah, my chocolate should be cool enough. I think it is. Yum, yum, yum. I love chocolate. Spread this out just a little bit. That way you can incorporate your chocolate in all of it. Gee, I need one of the great grandkids here to clean my dish out. I know one day I made something that was chocolate, I don't know, but maybe it was a cake or pie. 5-year-old granddaughter come in, and she's sitting there up here on the counter watching what I'm doing, and I looked over and there she was. That's good. There she was with the beaters. Eating it. I said, I will give you some in just a minute. Oh, this is good. I like this, Grandma. I said, okay. I know Taya does. Anyway, I want all that chocolate out of there. I'm going to use my finger. They're clean. I washed them. Now, let's see if we can incorporate this without making a big mess. We won't take bets on it, though. I'd probably lose. It smells yummy. Then I'm going to use a fourth of a cup of pecans and a fourth of a cup of well, it's almost open, English taffy bits, and put that in there, and then incorporate all that. Oh, that's going to be yummy. This is something Greg would like. He loves these. And two, if you find that your dish is your candy might be a little bit not as smooth as you want it, add a few more bits to it. Add a few more of those, or add more pecans. Can't get too many, but you want them chopped up. Okay. Just a tad in there, so I'll just put them in. Do you do that? Sometimes I get just a little bit left over. Oh my goodness. I always do that. Oh. Then you're going to set this in the refrigerator and let it set up real good so that you can cut it. But that doesn't take too long either. But you know, while it's in the refrigerator setting up, you're doing something else. So you're doing basically two things at once. Okay, I'm going to take my dish and I'm going to put my chocolate in it and try to spread that out. Do whatever it takes, whatever you're used to doing, just do it. And don't know, this is a very old recipe, so a lot of you will probably already have it. If you do, let me know. I'd like to know how many's got it. And if you don't have it, I'd like to know how you liked it. Okay. Now I'm going to set this in my refrigerator and let it set up and harden, and then I'll be back and we'll cut it and taste it. Okay? So I'll be right back with you. I'm back and our pecan toffee fudge is coming out. I guess that's the best thing to do is put the foil on it. I just normally don't, but anyway, then you can just pull it down and cut it. And it took how long? No time to make. I mean, I love fudge, just regular fudge, but hey, if I can make this quick, I think I'll make a little. You can see your toffee chips in there, and you can see your pecans. It is so creamy. Oh my goodness. I might not make fudge this year. I may just do another batch of this, because it's creamy. The Philadelphia cream cheese made that, but it's just so easy, and I got so much going on that might be an idea. Anyway, try this. You'll like it. Oh, it's good. So I just want to say to everyone that we really love you, and we thank you bunches for being with us.